I'm going to show you how to progress candidates from offer and hire stage in Smart Recruiters straight through to completing their background checks in Zinc. Select your candidate, come down to Assessments and select Order Assessment. Then select the relevant check package that pulls through from Zinc. Click Continue and Send. The candidate will then receive an email and a notification on their phone to input all the information required for their background checks. In addition, Smart Recruiters offers an automation that allows you, when you move a candidate to offered or hired stage, to automatically begin running those checks on behalf of candidates.